We have this function of trading that we call scalping. And depending on who you ask, scalping can be anywhere from, 1 tick to 200 ticks. And so, a lot of times I see I'll see people go on their platform and they'll say that, this is scalping, that's not scalping. But I mean, if you're in and out of trades, regardless of the size, regardless of the time frame, it can be looked at as scalping if it's intraday, depending on the perspective that's most important to you. And here's a way of putting it. If I'm a swing trader, right, and I'm holding my positions 1 day or more than a day, it can be reasonable for me to have a perspective that anybody that trades less than that is scalping. So if I'm normally swing trading and I'm in and out of position within the same day, for me, that's scalping, right? Because that's relative to what I'm normally doing, right? Because this whole environment is based off of whatever perspective that you're viewing this price action and all this stuff from. So whatever it is that you're watching, whether you're watching the charts or you're watching news or numbers, what sense it makes to you is going to be based off of what you believe about this environment and what you believe about your place in this environment.